Are you looking for a fresh and glowing skin? Natural oils may be the perfect solution for you. The best natural oils for the skin. Coconut oil, a powerful moisturizer and antibacterial, ideal for dry and sensitive skin. Argan oil, rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, fights wrinkles and improves skin elasticity. Sweet almond oil, lightweight and easy to absorb, suitable for all skin types. Avocado oil, rich in vitamins and minerals, nourishes the skin and protects it from damage. Jojoba oil, similar to the natural oils in our skin, it maintains moisture balance and prevents the appearance of acne. Tips for use. Choose the right oil for your skin type. Not all oils are suitable for all skin types. Use a small amount, a little is enough, natural oils are powerful. Experiment on a small area of the skin, to make sure there is no allergy.